Let us take a quick look at two of the most popular voice amplifiers on Amazon, the Nefficar one and the Ahuja one. It is evident from the first look itself that the Ahuja one has got quite a boxy and old-fashioned design. On the other hand, the Nefficar one has got a beautiful, sleek and slim design and has a glossy finish which imparts it a new-like appearance, while the Ahuja one, it's not like I'm not a big fan of matte finish, but it doesn't look like a new product at all. The second important part is when you weigh both the voice amplifiers. I'll just hold both the voice amplifiers, and I can see that this one, the Ahuja one, is almost twice the weight of the Nefficar voice amplifier. Though it might seem like a small difference if you had to hold it for only 5 or 10 minutes, but if you have to hold it or carry it for almost 45 minutes to an hour during the lecture, I think it would be a lot of problem, and especially when it is dangling around your shoulders or neck. The heavy weight around your shoulders or neck is going to become a distraction for sure. The other important feature, if we turn it towards you, the back side towards you, you can immediately notice that there is a back clip behind the Nefficar voice amplifier, which makes it far more convenient to mount it around your waistline and comfortably move around the lecture hall, seminar hall, conference room or workshop. Ahuja one has got no such back clip, and which means it is a big disadvantage because it is already bulky, and then carrying it with the help of a neck strap is certainly going to put strain on your neck or shoulders. And if imagine it's slipping and sliding from your shoulders if you're mounting it over your shoulders or holding it over your shoulders. Right, coming to the most important part, that is the quality of amplification. So the Ahuja one is able to amplify well, but the problem is the kind of amplification it offers is not as natural and distortion free when compared to the Nefficar voice amplifier, which amplifies your voice and produces it close to your natural speech quality, right? The other important part, the Nefficar one has got silicone feet, which allows it to be more stable on slippery surfaces, while the Ahuja one doesn't have anything. So it might also prevent some scratches on the body of the voice amplifier. Right, there it is. I said it all. In conclusion, the Nefficar one wins over Ahuja's voice amplifier with its high level of attention to details, be it the convenience of mounting the voice amplifier using the waist clip, or the lightweight design which you can just put on and forget about. No distraction or irritation or annoyance at all, or the sleek and stylish design which looks amazing, which is extremely modern, and I'm sure you wouldn't mind taking it to a high-end conference or a workshop. Alright, however, if you are constrained on the budget, I think the Ahuja's voice amplifier is also not a bad choice. It does achieve a decent level of amplification, it does look alright, and you might have to compromise a bit on convenience, comfort and all that, but yes, it will serve the purpose. There it is. And please don't forget to click on the notification icon below to get regular updates about our latest reviews. Thank you so much.